There's another Livall Pikaboost in the market and also on our list. No time to explain. Let's get started with today's video on the 13 e-bike conversion kits you can buy right now. Are you ready to electrify your ride? Introducing the Pikaboost 2, the latest innovation in e-bike conversion kits from Livall. This sleek 3 kilograms unit attaches to your bike's seat post in just 1 minute, transforming your ordinary bicycle into a powerful e-bike. With its V-shaped roller and drainage grooves, the Pikaboost 2 ensures a secure grip on your tire, even in wet conditions. Boasting a 250-watt motor with up to 500 watt of peak power, the Pikaboost 2 can propel you to speeds of 32 kilometers per hour. Choose from 4 power modes to customize your ride, including the unique workout mode for added resistance. The standard 158-watt-hour battery has a range of up to 70 kilometers, with the option to upgrade to 220 watt-hours for even longer adventures. Plus, with regenerative braking, you can even use the Pikaboost 2 as a mobile power bank for your devices. Legal compliance? No worries. The Pikaboost 2 app automatically adjusts settings to meet local regulations. Starting at just £282, the Pikaboost 2 is your affordable ticket to the e-bike revolution. Don't miss out. Order now and join the thousands transforming their cycling experience with Pikaboost 2. With the Photon, you're one step closer to elevating your cycling experience to the next level. It is designed and developed with all the latest and greatest technologies to make the ride efficient yet powerful. With a 750-watt motor and 110 Nm of torque, the Photon conversion kit will provide the power and performance you need on the toughest terrains. Its advanced torque sensing technology offers a seamless and natural pedal assist for tired legs. This patented CYC torque sensor, combined with the company's in-house firmware tuning, ensures instant kick and a truly intuitive experience. And the compact, lightweight design ultimately results in quick handling and easy maneuverability. Say goodbye to average electric biking and hello to the next level of electrifying adventure with the Fazua Ride 60. This sleek and efficient mid-drive e-bike conversion kit boasts an efficient motor that delivers a maximum of 450 watts of power to make every ride an unforgettable experience. The lightweight design weighs just 5 pounds and doesn't add any noticeable weight to your bike. But what is noticeable, though, is the performance and impact of this lightweight design. The system seamlessly integrates into a bike's frame without killing the bike's looks. Moreover, the kit equips a compact battery with a capacity of 430 watt-hour that offers a great range to go further. It also features an excellent user-friendly app with effortless connectivity, allowing you to track your speed, distance, and time, and sync your data with compatible devices. If you are looking for an efficient and powerful Bafang motor, your search ends here with the Bafang BBS02. It has a formidable presence in bike drivetrains, and it's no surprise that it has become a common and reliable choice among riders. As a mid-drive motor, the Bafang 750W offers a distinct advantage over both front and rear motors, providing a low center of gravity that results in better control and reduced aerodynamic drag. This means riders can push their bikes to the limit without worrying about handling and control. With its advanced engineering, this motor kit offers a smooth, quiet, high-performing e-biking experience. This motor is mounted in the bike's bottom bracket, replacing the crankset and front derailleur for a powerful and well-balanced ride. And with this Bafang kit, riders get the best of both worlds. It offers both throttle and pedal assist power, so they can take a break from pedaling and enjoy the ride or engage the motor for added power when needed. Now, let's talk about the undisputed champion of power and performance that will blow your mind, the X1 Pro Gen 2. This e-bike kit is not for the faint-hearted, but for adrenaline junkies who want to tackle the most challenging terrains easily. With a jaw-dropping 5,000-watt power output that speaks loud and broadly about X1 Pro's sheer dominance, while the 250 Newton meters of torque always provides the force by their side to take on anything. The integrated torque sensor will provide the right boost when required, taking on uphill and downhill adventures to a whole new level. And to top it all off, the X1 Pro comes with a customizable mobile app that provides all the essential information about your ride, like speed, distance, and assist levels. To sum it up, the X1 Pro is the ultimate solution for EMTB enthusiasts and performance-driven riders who want to push their limits. Convert any boring bike to a modern mid-drive electric bike with the Sartori Bike's Easy. This lightweight conversion kit offers an effortless and seamless way to upgrade your bicycle to a powerful and efficient bike. This kit comes packed with a central motor that boasts an impressive 250 watts of nominal power and a maximum power output of 540 watts, while the high torque of 80 Newton meters ensures a smooth and steady ride. And the motor provides ample power to put on an impressive performance, both on demanding terrain as well as in localities. And the 4-level pedal assistance is a really useful feature to skip through the city traffic, even on steep inclines up to 20%. To make the ride more natural and effortless, the design language is kept compact and lightweight, weighing just 7 pounds. This makes it easy to install, and riders can take advantage of the lightweight design by going further. Moreover, with a water-resistant rating of IP54, it is designed for any weather condition and is an ideal outdoor choice. There are 7 more bike conversion kits on the list. Before getting into the next one, take a second and hit the subscribe button to get the update on our next video. Thank you so much. The Tongsheng TSDZ2B is a mid-drive conversion kit that stands out from the rest with its innovative and unique torque sensing capability. This feature is usually found in the most advanced and expensive kits, but the TSDZ2B boasts this innovative torque system to adjust the variable torque level, adapting to the conditions and the surface. The raw power of 500 watts that couples with the torque figure make the TSDZ2B a top choice for anyone searching for a conversion kit. This intelligent system allows riders to enjoy a smooth and consistent ride, regardless of the terrain they encounter. It has an increased center positioning to ensure the radial spacing accuracy. Not only does the TSDZ2B excel in performance, but it also prioritizes sustainability and convenience, making it an ideal choice to simplify its daily commute. With its advanced features and unparalleled versatility, the Tongsheng is a wise investment for anyone looking to transform their bike into an e-bike. Yose Power 500W, a unique rear hub conversion kit that could be a surprise choice for off-road enthusiasts. Why do we say that? Well, the 500-watt motor is excellent for the city, but it is equally capable on terrains with its unique power-torque delivery system will change your off-roading game. Unlike other 500-watt kits, this one features an intelligent, variable torque system that can shift up to 48 Newton meters of torque, adapting to the terrain. This makes climbing uphill hassle-free and allows riders to tackle challenging terrains easily. What's more fascinating is, this feature is mostly found in flagships and other expensive kits. The kit is also available in 2 wheel sizes, 26 and 28 inches, for greater customization. To enhance the overall experience, it also includes an intelligent system that helps riders maintain a consistent speed on rocky and tricky surfaces. With integrated low-voltage protection, the smart battery management ensures durability for long-term use, making the Yose Power an easy pick. No time to explain. This Rubbee X is here to make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. Today, with just a flick of a switch, you can transform your boring old bike into a wire-free wonderland with this innovative e-bike conversion kit. No more fussing with traditional kits that require an engineering degree to install. Rubbee X's design is so simple and takes no time at all to install. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This e-bike conversion kit packs some serious power with its motor-driven rubber wheel. And you can choose between the 250-watt or 350-watt version, depending on how long you want to ride. And if you're feeling particularly daring, just switch to power mode and let the Rubbee X take you on a wild ride through the off-roads. It's like being in an action movie, except the only explosions are the ones happening in your mind as you cruise past all the mortals on their boring old non-electric bikes. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy the Rubbee X revolution and feel like a superhero every time you hit the road. Here's the sleekest rear-wheel e-bike conversion kit you've ever seen, the Livall Pikaboost. This rear-wheel e-bike conversion kit will turn your conventional bike into a turbocharged speed demon. It will elevate your cycling experience to the next level in no time flat, without any heavy tools or hassle. That's right, Pikaboost is designed to be easy, fun, and convenient, so you can spend less time tinkering and more time cruising. And don't worry about those pesky hills. This e-bike conversion kit has got your back with its extra assistance that will boost your confidence and help you conquer any terrain. With a regenerative system that conserves energy on downhills and intelligent features that auto-maintain an average speed based on your habits and surfaces, you'll feel like you're riding in the future. And let's not forget the 3 driving modes: cruise, eco, and exercise. Whether you're commuting to work or shredding down a mountain, the Livall e-bike kit will turn your ride into an exciting journey. The Unlimited e-bike conversion kit revolutionizes how you ride by effortlessly transforming any bike into an electric powerhouse. Its wireless pedal assist sensor eliminates the need for complicated wiring, making it compatible with any bike. The kit's proprietary high-voltage 52-volt battery sets it apart, offering hyper-efficiency and unparalleled mileage and power. Operating the kit is a breeze, with automatic on-off functionality and multiple interfaces to display real-time stats such as speed, distance, and battery level. Plus, the kit's IP65 waterproof rating ensures durability in various weather conditions. With a range of up to 50 miles, the Unlimited kit allows you to explore farther without worrying about running out of power. Installation is also quick and easy, taking only minutes to complete. Designed for affordability, the kit offers incredible value for money, allowing you to experience the thrill of going farther and faster at a low price. Let's wrap up the list with a super versatile e-bike conversion kit, which you can use both in the rear wheel and front wheel. The Ebikeeling is a waterproof e-bike conversion kit designed to add some spark to your riding life. With this easy-to-install kit, you can turn your plain old bike into an electrifying machine. This kit comes equipped with an aluminum double-walled rim and hub motor, all ready to go. Simply transfer your existing tire onto the kit, and you're ready to roll. Plus, it also includes a convenient LCD display, so you'll have all the info you need to keep your ride on track, including battery life, speed, and more. And if you're tired of awkwardly reaching for the throttle, the pedal assist sensor will get you covered. Keep pedaling and let the kit do the rest. It's like having a personal assistant for your bike. Just remember, while the kit includes everything you need to get started, you'll need to supply your own battery and tire. So, that was our video of the 13 bike conversion kit that are worth buying. Let us know your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.